What up, it's Jack, and I'm just documenting installing solar panels onto my 1985 Volkswagen Vanagon. There's two things with this solar panels that I need to happen. I need them to not fall off while I'm driving like 50 miles an hour, you know, and I need to not get wet from any holes in the roof after their installation. So these panels are, I have two 110 watt Renogy panels, whatever the fuck that means, and they came with like mounting hardware. So these are some fucking hex bolts, hex screws with a little plastic washer on the bottom, and I also have some extra mounting hardware from these clips. My idea is I'm going to drill into here, just like I have these here. These are supports for the top. There's a wood stripping. I'm gonna drill into this here and here, and then in the back too for the back one, and then on the inside I am going to use that mounting tape down there for the inside, so I don't have to drill into the top. That's the method here. I'm going to attach everything up first, line everything up, mark whatever, and then I'm going to see what we have to figure out from there. I've scoured the internet for the best way to do this, and no one really has the best idea. Everyone kind of really has their own ideas. So my idea is this: I have these solar like extender hookups running out the back of this van right here. I just unscrewed this. You see a hole here, and I unscrewed another one down here, and I used a butter knife just to fucking wedge it up. And now I gotta fix this up, tug that under, and once I get the alignment, like the measurement right, just drill in here, drill back down there. All right, I got the clip in the right spot. It's on the other side too. I am not gonna lie, I think I said sorry, but I have not done anything with this much dire consequences, and it is intimidating. But basically, I just am gonna go and that one and that one, and I'm gonna silicone it up, and I gotta figure out a way to get that adhesive on the middle. I'm a little unsure about that for right now. Drop my pen, so ow. Right now I'm just marking underneath, so that way I know where to put the tape. I now have the marks done for where I'm going to put the tape, so I'm going to actually put the tape over there and then just basically slide the solar panel over and then maneuver around to the other side so I can just pick it up and place it onto the tape. I think that should work well. Okay, I now have the tape in place. I have to peel this red part off, and then I'm gonna pull this solar panel over, around, and then just set it on top, and the other holes should line up right along where the stripping is. Not bad. I'm happy with that. It's on there. Let's go. Yo, okay, that's fire. Let's see if it's on. Dang, that's on there like crazy. You probably could get away with just a tape, but I don't really like to play games, so. So what I'm gonna do with these holes is, first I'm gonna go in with this small drill bit, nice and slow, just so I know I'm hitting the right material, and so that it takes out any like excess, and also it'll make it so when I screw the next screw in, it doesn't really destroy it and pushing it down. This van is like 37 years old, and I don't really know how well the glue is holding up. That is holding the wood stripping that runs along here to the underside, and so I'm just gonna use this to kind of pull the stuff out, not really push down on it, if that makes sense. That went well. Now for my next trick, I'm going to put a little bit of silicone in each hole so that everything has a little extra loving in there. You know what I mean? All right, I'm officially mounting this solar panel to the roof. Are you ready? In 3, that's a long fucking screw. 2. Okay. I'm really trying not to go too fast or do too much. Just enough to kind of hold it. Okay. That's what's up. That's what's up. Okay. Okay, that's all. The solar panel is mounted officially. See that movement right here? To the top of this van. Let's go, baby. I'll do the back one, and then I just have to silicone them up and wire them up. And there you have it, folks. They are mounted. They're on there. I'm gonna let everything dry. I'm not gonna even pop the top up until tomorrow, but I have to wire things now, and then I think that'll be done. This solar panel sticks out the back like this, but I low-key kind of like it, so I'm gonna leave that. So basically what's gonna happen is I have connectors that will connect these and these, so they'll be running in like parallel or series, whichever one I'm thinking is wrong. So, but that's what's the next step. Drum roll, please. I ended up putting the top up, as you can see, because I had to get at the wires in the back and I couldn't do it with the clothes. So I have these coming. They're about as tight as can be. Some zip ties here. I'll cut this off. Okay, kind of cord just kind of runs along there. These aren't really connected by anything. I'm a little worried they'll be noisy in the wind, but if that's the case, I'll just secure them. But yeah, and to show you what's up, here is my battery. You can see this input section blinking. I'm currently getting 10 watts of input, which is fine because I'm only outputting 10. But if I were to shut this off, what's important about that 6 is that is the power that is used to run my fridge, which is right here. And that's the only thing I need to keep on 24/7. So even at nighttime like this, I'm gonna be getting enough energy to run my fridge until it's almost absolutely dark. And that is huge. And that is how you install solar panels on a 1985 Volkswagen Vanagon, Westphalia. It's not tried and tested yet, so I'll drive around tomorrow and make sure nothing falls off, but I have never done anything kind of complicated, intimidating like this, so I'm super proud of myself. I didn't really know how well it would go. I have been kind of planning this out for a couple days, just setting the solar panels up, bringing them down, measuring a couple things, trying to figure out what the best approach would be, and this is what I decided on. So I'm gonna put the top down. Oh, I'll show you. I have these supports here, right, that are hooked on. They support the weight on the top because I'm also gonna have a roof rack up there. But it basically makes it easier to shut, and it supports it while you're shutting the top like this. That being said, it looks like it still will fall down on me now if I let it, which is fine. I just have to not let it. But yeah, baby, I'll take care of this wires and all this. But that's what's up. Boom. Thanks for watching, guys. I now have solar panels on my van, so I can't wait to show you guys where I'm going to take this. I had no idea how this would go, but I'm glad it went well and I didn't run into any issues because I didn't really have that in me right now. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. Just gotta like button below. Have a wonderful day. I love you guys. Have a good day. Have a good day. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.